While more people are outside under the new alert level system, infectious diseases specialist Dr. Ronjin Solantes says situations in most hospitals haven't changed. He says this is by far the longest wave of infections. More people aged 50 and younger are in severe or critical condition. More people needed emergency care. A never-ending job for health workers. Solante adds, many vaccinated doctors and nurses are still getting the virus due to the highly transmissible Delta variant.
Since the 3rd to 4th week of July, most of our ICUs, especially here in our hospital, San Lazaro Hospital, are already full. And until now, it's still full.
While no health agency has a universal definition of a wave, it's usually used to describe the peaks and valleys of reported infections. Okta Research Group's analysis of government's data shows a fourth wave. It's already a week longer than the earlier surge.
It's been the longest surge so far. I think Doc Edsel will agree we are seeing a downturn as we move into the granular lockdown mode, that we do not reverse the gains we have made in the last few weeks.
UP COVID-19 pandemic response spokesperson Professor Jomar Rabajante says, compared to the first and second waves last year, COVID infections did not go down as much after the third wave in March and April, before increasing again by end of July. Aside from Delta, Rabajante sees another factor. The recent enhanced community quarantine was not as strict as last year, but it has somehow helped control the transmission.
I think also sa implementation nun. Kasi dito sa kung saan ako nakatira sa Laguna, even kahit ECQ that time, pwedeng lumabas yung mga tao. Kung walang ECQ that time, baka mas mabilis yung increase. Mas exponential siya. Pero in terms of inhibiting na bababa like this, hindi eh.
But a DOH technical advisor says whether or not there's a fourth wave, what matters more, deaths are not increasing as much as the cases.
More than double yung cases, pero almost kapantay yung number of deaths compared to April. Even though expected natin na mas deadly nga yung Delta, hindi yun nangyari. And the only thing that's contributing to that, pagbabakuna natin ng maraming tao.
In fact, over 4,800 people died in August alone, the highest number of lives lost to the virus since the pandemic began. Carolyn Bonquin, CNN Philippines.